Hey girl, does this look like the right place?
I think so. Daddy said to get over to ESG's crib and scoop up more of the cadet.
Well, this is ESG's place, I can tell by the Bentley parked in the garage.
Girl, do you think Daddy would get mad if I took a dip in the pool?
Girl, you know we ain't got no time to be doing that ish this morning. If we don't get back with Daddy's cadet, he ain't going to let us go out tonight.
Girl, we gots to get out tonight. It's the big dance party at the club and you know I gots to get my dance on.
Well, let's get our butts in gear and do this. Daddy and ESG are doing it big tonight and the cadets need lots of space, cadet.
Oh, I love it when Daddy and ESG throw down. It's going to be a party. Let's get this cadet and bounce.